Hi everyone, welcome to our channel, and in today's video, I'm going to tell you and also show you how you can customize absolutely all the posts on your Facebook just for you. Friends, please subscribe to the channel, put likes, and also don't forget to write comments under this video. So let us get started with you. And in order to do that, you're going to need to first open up the Facebook application and go to your Facebook page. And then click on the three dots and the activity log. After that, friends, click on your Facebook activity, then posts, and your photo and video posts. Wait for all the information to load, so you will go to the list of absolutely all the posts, photos, videos that you have on your Facebook page. Next, to cancel absolutely all posts at once, click here where it says all posts, and they'll all be checked off. Next, at the bottom, on the right-hand side, click on the three dots and select Change Audience. Again, and that way, friends, you can choose who sees your Facebook post. And if you want complete privacy, then select Just Me. And then you can log out immediately, and the changes will be accepted. That's it, folks. That's how you can easily on Facebook customize all your posts as only me. I really hope this video helped you and was helpful to you, friends. Please subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to put your likes under the video and write your comments. Take care.